Good afternoon. I hope for those who tuned in are going to be happy about this one. I should be done within a minute. The only thing I'm going to go over right now is the memory, 512 memory, okay, MB, in Fahrenheit equals to 10.6666, because the 10 point says the 10 world of 6, 6, 6, and 6. The four of them. 4 in the center, 3 to the left, 3 to the right, but this 3, only 2 of these 3 are the same as this, and only 2 of these 3 are the same as that. Okay, so what we're going to do now, okay, is 52 Fahrenheit comes out to 1111. If I multiply this by the 2 worlds, I get 104. And if you were looking in the game of cards, it would be the love and war. Because in the game of war, or what they call bataille in French, the total card count in one suit is 104. But in 4 suits, then you would have 4 suits, and 104 would be 416. 416. Now, I never really thought of what it is, but 41 is the Mediterranean, and the 6th one is the Oriental, if you were looking at the Monopoly board. So we're going to further this and go on to 51 Celsius now. Okay? 7. Don't forget it's 7. It's all the Mayan number. 5 days a week, 2 weekend days, 1 and 1. Okay? 52 Celsius is 125.6. The other way to look at that is 5 times 5 times 5 equals 125, and it's the 2 worlds. Each one of these are the 2 worlds. 2, 2, and 2 is 6. So you end up in the 2 worlds, 125. Now, if you take the 5 and 2, okay, and multiply it by the same number that it is, 5 plus 2 is 7, multiplied by the 52 equals to 364 plus the Celsius, the Fahrenheit ratio of 125, and you would add it onto here, and it would give you 36525, which is the number of days there are in a year. If you want to look at another way to play something, corner, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, and in between is 4. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Free space, but you only get to live in one set of 4, 4. Here and here, 4 and 8, and here's 4 and 8, and here's 4 and 8. It's different scenarios of 4 and 8, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Just like I mentioned yesterday with the overlap of the 38 times 38, which equals, I think, 1444. There's a 4-second overlap on this side and that side. Well, sometimes you got to tie down the trains. The other thing is Spirit of 76. Okay, 168, which, excuse me, 76 Fahrenheit, this was Celsius, is 24, which is X of space, 20, and 4. In Monopoly, you get to the 20th corner, and as far as you can go is 4 to the track before you have to stop. So it works out in that scenario too. Another thing to look at is 0, the letter 0, okay, is a 54 letter count. In Celsius, it's 1292. Forget about the 1. 2992. 2992, which equals to 121. This is the birth. From one side to the other side. You go from 0 this way, or you go from 0 this way. The other thing that I was going to bring up is I went shopping. And what was funny that out of my shopping is the taxable item was $13.27 at 5%, cost me 66 cents. But the same items, there was one item that was not taxable in this one that is taxable in this one. So it makes it $13.93. At 9.5% equals to $132. Isn't that crazy that it comes out to $132? Because 2 times 66 is $132. It's just the way it is. I had another bill over here. Is this it? Or is it 6006? Same thing. 66, 2 islands. And from the amount before the tax was 5808, which means the passage of the heaven and the heaven. They're not talking about which number you are. It doesn't matter. If you're in the center, you're it. Raphael 7286.